Good afternoon, friends, and welcome back to my kitchen. Tonight I am in the mood for some butternut squash soup. So come on along with me while we get that started. All right, friends, so what we need to get started with our soup is, of course, our butternut squash. I've got some carrots and some onions. All right, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and cut this. We're gonna cut both ends off so that way it can stand on itself, and then we're gonna cut it down the middle, scoop out all of our innards, and put it on our roasting pan. Alright, now to cut this in half, be very careful. Make sure you have a sharp knife and just go at like a saw motion to get through it. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and drizzle some oil on here. Just kind of mix it in with your hands. A little bit of pepper and some salt. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and flip these upside down. Now for our onions, just cut them in half and place them upside down. Now our carrots, we're just gonna go ahead and peel them and chop them and place them on the roasting pan as well. All right, go with some more salt and pepper. All right, friends, so we're gonna bake this at 425 for 45 minutes. All right, now this squash is super tender. You can squeeze it. And it's got some give, which is what we want. Carefully, I'm gonna go ahead and flip this over so that it can cool before I touch it. Oh, I might not even need to. Look at that, that's just gonna peel right off. Oh, yay. All right, friends, so I'm gonna go ahead and add all of this to my blender. And our onions. And of course our carrots. All right, I've got 2 cloves of garlic here that we're gonna go ahead and add. I've got some sage. I'm gonna put a couple leaves of sage in there and some lemon thyme. I'm only gonna do the leaves. Now I've got my homemade chicken stock. I'm gonna go ahead and cover this. All right, if you're a texture person like me, I like to have a smooth soup, so I'm gonna strain this. All right, friends, so we've got our soup now on the stove to bring back up to a boil. I did add a tablespoon of this Knorr chicken bouillon just for salt and extra flavor. Always taste to make sure you have everything in there as you're cooking your soup. That's really good. All right, friends, so our soup has now come up to a boil. Now let's go ahead and plate up our bowl. And you know, depending on how thick or how thin you like your soup is to how much chicken broth you're gonna add to it. All right, friends, let's go ahead and give our butternut squash soup a try. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I think I added just a little bit too much of the chicken broth. I do like mine a little bit thicker, but it still tastes amazing. When you add that cream to it, it just takes it to the next level. So definitely you gotta add some cream to it. So good. So, so good. Now if I had some croutons and some bread to go with this, it'd be excellent. All right, friends, so definitely give this recipe a try. Let me know what you think in the comments. And until next time, friends, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well, and have a blessed day.